we will learn about the sounds of N. Alright. Now, we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi. A, A, I, U, U, E, I, O, Au, and Aha. And we know about the consonants too. Right? We know that half consonant, when gets added to a vowel, we get sound, which is called as Barah Kadi in Hindi. And we have been doing that till now. We've been adding the half consonants to the vowels to see the sound, to see what sound we get. Alright? And in this video, we will add this half consonant to all these vowels and see what sounds we get. Alright? So let us start with the first sound, which is N. N. Alright? Now, if you are a foreigner from other country, or if you are from a place where you do not have this particular letter, then it will be difficult for you to pronounce it. Okay? Now this is not N. As I have written in English, this is not N. N. This is N. N. Alright? So few of the Indian languages do have this letter. Okay? Kannada has it. Okay? Now, if you know about this, then you can pronounce it. But if you do not, then it takes some practice for you to pronounce. Okay? N is different. This is N. N. Your tongue has to curl backwards while pronouncing this. Okay? N. N. And when it gets curled up, it has to touch to the top surface of your mouth. Okay? This is N. 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 While explaining or while pronouncing N, okay, N, the tongue need not curl backwards. Okay? But while pronouncing N, N, the tongue has to curl backwards. Alright? But there is no other way to write N in English, so that is why I have taken N and A. Alright? So N, N is the first sound. And you get this sound N when you add N to A. N plus A equal to N. Alright? And you don't have to remember this too, because it is difficult to pronounce the half consonants. Alright? It is difficult to pronounce half consonants, and you just have to remember this. There are no examples in English which I can give you because there is no usage in English. Alright? So the usage of this will be only in Hindi and other regional Indian languages. Alright? So let us see how to write N. Okay? Yeah. The second sound is Na. 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 And you get this sound Na when you add N to A. N plus A equal to Na. 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 And Na is written like this. Okay. Next is Ni. 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 And you get the sound Ni when you add N to E. N plus E equal to Ni. N plus E equal to Ni. Ni. And Ni is written like this. Okay. Yes. The next sound is Ni. 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 And you get the sound Ni when you add N to e. N plus e equal to ni. N plus e equal to ni. Ni. And ni is written like this. Alright. The next sound is nu. 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 And you get the sound nu when you add n plus u. N plus u equal to nu. 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 Alright. Nu is written like this. Okay. Next is nu. 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 And you get the sound nu when you add n to u. N plus u equal to nu. N plus u equal to nu. Nu. And nu is written like this. Okay. Alright. Next is ne. 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 And you get this sound ne when you add n to a. N plus a equal to ne. N plus a equal to ne. Ne. And ne is written like this. Alright. Next sound is nai. 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 And you get this sound nai when you add n to I. N plus I equal to nai. N plus I equal to nai. Nai. Alright. So nai is written like this. Okay. One more. Next sound is no. 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 And you get the sound no when you add n to o. N plus o equal to no. N plus o equal to no. No. And no is written like this. Okay. Yeah. Next sound is now. 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 And now is obtained when you add n to ow. N plus ow equal to now. N plus ow equal to now. Now. And now is written like this. Okay. Next sound is num. 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 And you get the sound num when you add n to N plus equal to num. N plus equal to num. Num. And num is written like this. Okay. And the last sound is naha. 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 And you get this sound naha when you add n to aha. N plus aha equal to naha. N plus aha equal to naha. Naha. Alright. Naha is written like this. Okay. Yeah. So those are the sounds of n. Alright. Now, when you pronounce it, the tongue has to curl backwards. Okay? Yeah. To recap, it is n plus a equal to n plus a equal to na, n plus e equal to ni, n plus e equal to ni, n plus u equal to nu, n plus u equal to nu, n plus a equal to ne, n plus I equal to nai, n plus o equal to no, n plus au equal to now, n plus equal to num, n plus aha equal to naha. Alright? So those are the sounds of n. In this lesson, we will learn about the Barahakadi of n. Alright? Now, we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi. A, I, U, U, A, I, O, Au, and Aha. And we know about the consonants too. Right? Now, when a half consonant gets added to a vowel, we get sound. And the process is called as Barahakadi. Okay? And we have been doing this till now. We have been adding half consonants, various half consonants to all the vowels, and we have been seeing what sound we get. And in this video, we will see what sounds we get when we add this half consonant to all these vowels. Alright? This is n, n, n. Okay? And let us start with the first sound, which is n, n, n. And you get this sound n when you add n to a. N plus a equal to n. N plus a equal to n. And n is pronounced like na in banana, 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 and like nu in number, number, number. Alright? Let us see how to write n. Okay. Yeah. The next sound is na, 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 and you get this sound na when you add n to a. N plus a equal to na, n plus a equal to na, and na is pronounced like na in banana, 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 banana. Alright? Let us see how to write na. Yeah. The third sound is ni, 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 and you get this sound ni when you add n to e. N plus e equal to ni, n plus e equal to ni, ni, and ni is pronounced like ni in panic, 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 and like ni in minimum, me, ni, mum, me, ni, mum. Okay? And ni is written like this. Okay. Yeah. The next sound is ni, 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 and you get this sound ni when you add n to e. N plus e equal to ni, n plus e equal to ni, and ni is pronounced like nee in neem, 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 and like nee in need, need, need. Okay? And ni is written like this. Yeah. The next sound is nu, 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 and you get this sound nu when you add n to u. N plus U equal to nu. N plus U equal to nu. 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 And nu is pronounced like NU in menu. 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 Nu. Alright? And nu is written like this. Okay. The next sound is nu. 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 And you get this sound nu when you add n to u. N plus u equal to nu. N plus u equal to nu. Nu. And nu is pronounced like NOO in afternoon. 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 Alright? And nu is written like this. Okay. The next sound is ne. 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 And you get the sound ne when you add n to a. N plus a equal to ne. N plus a equal to ne. Ne. And ne is pronounced like ne in neck. 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 Okay. Ne is written like this. Next sound is nai. 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 And you get this sound nai when you add n to I. N plus I equal to nai. N plus I equal to nai. 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 And nai is pronounced like ni in nine. 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 And like ni in night. 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 Okay. And nai is written like this. Okay. The next sound is no. 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 And you get this sound no when you add n to o. N plus o equal to no. N plus o equal to no. 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 And no is pronounced like no in November. 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 Okay. And no is written like this. Yeah. The next sound is now. 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 And you get this sound now when you add n to ow. N plus ow equal to now. N plus ow equal to now. Now. And now is pronounced like NOU in noun. 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 Alright? And now is written like this. Okay. The next sound is num. 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 And num is obtained by adding n to n plus equal to num. N plus equal to num. Num. And num is pronounced like NUM in numb. 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 Okay. And num is written like this. Yeah. The next sound is naha. 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 And you get the sound naha when you add n to aha. N plus aha equal to naha. N plus aha equal to naha. Naha. Okay. Naha is written like this. So those are the sounds of n. Okay, to recap, n plus a equal to n plus a equal to na, n plus e equal to ni, n plus e equal to ni, n plus u equal to nu, n plus u equal to nu, n plus a equal to ne, n plus I equal to nai, n plus o equal to no, n plus au equal to now, n plus equal to num, and finally n plus aha equal to naha. Alright, so go ahead and practice writing and pronouncing the. We will learn about the Baraha Kadi of Jna. Now, we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi, right? A, I, U, E, I, O, Au, and Ha. And we know about the consonants too, right? There are 36 of them. And we know that we get different sounds or letters of Hindi when we add half consonants to vowels. And that is what we've been doing till now. We've been adding different half consonants to all these vowels. And in this video, we will see what sounds we get when we add this half double consonant to all these vowels. Okay? Let us start with the first sound. Jna, jna, jna. You get this sound jna when you add jna to a. Jna plus a equal to jna. Jna plus a equal to jna. Okay? Now, this is split like this, or this is made up of two half consonants. One is j, and ng. J and nya, nya. Now, this is difficult to pronounce, so do not worry about it. But just remember that when these two half consonants join, you get this half double consonant, which is nya, nya. Now, by now, you know how to get the sounds, right? You have to add the vowels, e, and so on, and you get this, right? So, I'm not going to explain you the process of getting the sounds. I'm just going to go through all the sounds in this Baraha Kadi, and then we will see how to write them. Okay? So, let us see how to write the first sound, jna. Next sound is jna, 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 and jna is written like this. Okay. Next sound is jni, 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 and jni is written like this. Okay. Next sound is jni, 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 and jni is written like this. Next sound is jnu, 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 and jnu is written like this. Next sound is jnu, 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 and jnu is written like this. Okay. The next sound is jne, 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 and jne is written like this. Okay. Next is jnai, 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 and jnai is written like this. Okay. Next is jno, 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 and jno is written like this. Okay. Next sound is jno, 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 and jno is written like this. Okay. Next is jnam, 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 and jnam is written like this. Okay. The last sound is jnaha, 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 and jnaha is written like this. Okay. So those are the sounds of jna. Now it is up to you to learn it or leave it, because this sound is rarely used in Hindi, but it is classified under the consonants, and that is why I have explained it. Okay. So if you are finding it difficult to pronounce it, then you can leave it at this stage and then learn it once you are familiar with all the sounds or all the letters of Hindi.